Your parents must have dreamt of you working for an esteemed company like LG Soft. You can fulfill their dreams through LG Soft recruitment exam. So what is LG Soft? Established in 1998, LG Soft is headquartered in Mumbai, India. It develops and markets software solutions focusing on wireless, digital television, home networking, manufacturing, retail and distribution, healthcare, information technology, human resources and maintenance, repair and operation, MRO industries. It offers services that include business processes, application architecting and development, quality analysis and testing, and products content and code development. The candidate should have completed the graduation in any stream from a recognized institution. The candidate should possess the graduation certificate at the time of exam and interview. The candidate should have a minimum of 65% aggregate marks from the 10th class, intermediate, and the graduation. Candidates should make sure that you have no current backlogs while attending the interview. Candidates having any backlogs are not eligible to attend the interview. Now, if you find yourself eligible for the LG Soft exam, then you should watch a video exam pattern for LG Soft. The written test. The written test is an online mode. The exam will be of 60 marks. The exam will consist of 60 questions. There is no sectional timing. The exam will be of 60 minutes. There will be no sectional cutoff. There is no negative marking. The medium of the questions will be English. This is an elimination round. Technical group discussion. Second round is technical group discussion. Topics that are asked in this round are technical topics like procedural oriented versus object oriented, C versus Java, etc. It is also an elimination round. Technical interview. Technical interview is face-to-face interview. This round includes questions on C, Java, data structure, etc. Most of the questions are from linked lists. Those candidates who clear the technical interview will qualify for the HR interview. HR interview, after you have cleared the technical rounds, you will be heading towards the final round, which is the HR round. In this round, you will be asked general questions like why do you want to join the company, your hobbies, and many questions like this. This round is just to check the communication skills, confidence, and general awareness of the candidates. You need to finish 2 sections of LG Soft within 60 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 60 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Make technical section your strong suit. Practice questions to solve them within time to increase efficiency. Remember, negative marking is not a factor here. Therefore, try to attempt all the questions. There will be more than one interviews, so practice English speaking. You should be confident while giving the answers to the interviewers. Practice aptitude questions and attempt mock tests frequently. For that, I would prefer you to use Prep Guru app developed by Youth for Work for such a purpose.